All right, today we back at Jollibees trying some of this chicken. Heard they had Korean barbecue, so I had to come pull up and look at that. It smells crazy. It's not as spicy as you would think, and with the vegetables on it, it kind of gives like a banh mi flavor. I swear, it's really good. Take some of this if you need to chill out a little bit. Golden chicken. All right, there we go, boys. Chicken is cooked perfectly. The sauce is just dripping. The chicken is so juicy. 8 out of 10. Come try this now, not later. Hello. I also had to try this mac and cheese. I never had this before. Let's see if it's good. Okay.